Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Google Pixel 4a, at the first you have to open your clock application. You can find it in the menu, then move to the alarm and let's activate one of them. Then click here to customize. Of course, the most important, we can set the hour and then the minutes. We can set the repeat, maybe only on the Friday. We can turn off or turn on vibration by tapping right here. We can change ringtone. Change the label. And even we can set the Google Assistant routine. So for example, we can just tell about the weather or other things that we have in the calendar, or just remind the reminders. So click save and then click right here, and as you can see, that's how we can turn on and customize your alarm on the Google Pixel 4a. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.